Some slight. Some slight. Boom. Let me chill. Quick little intro. You know, I gotta make this quick. You already know. Blah, blah, blah. Light gonna turn off. This. Now listen, y'all can just look at me and just say, wait, what's wrong? You don't look like yourself. I'm always myself. But the thing is, hey, I just got up from a nap. The nap was good. I don't even remember what I dreamed of. Yeah, I can't even tell you that. But just know I just took me. So boom. I feel refreshed. So I'm just like, man, you know, got me something basic. But today's topic is ringtones, specifically Apple ringtones. Let's get to it. So boom, I made this topic because it's like, okay, this is not the very first time, nor will it be the last time of me addressing this, or is this happening to me. And I'm just gonna speak for the people. Hey, Apple, I love you. I've been a customer since a long time. Okay, a very long time. You did kind of brainwash us to think like, oh, okay, you know what? A phone, yes, a phone is worth $800. Yes, you know what? Yes. Even though a phone should be affordable for everybody. But fun fact, most people have Androids than Apple. It's just our generation have Apple. But skip to the point. Y'all need to fix y'all ringtones. So, and I'm saying this because look, I set my alarm. When I set my alarm, I'm expecting to be woken up at that same exact very time, no more, no less. Or my body naturally wakes me up before the alarm. That's it. No, there is no in between. Right? There is no in between. It's just not, and that just can't just happen. And what I'm saying with the alarm is, why are y'all doing the soft alarms? It's not the dun, 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 the loud traumatizing one, then your heart start beating fast. Then it's time to get up. It's the white, it's like updated, but it's softly. It's like dun, 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 dun. Nobody can't hear that. That happened too many times. It did. Y'all niggas almost made me late for work 3-4 times. Literally, because I could not hear that. I don't know. Or like, is it me? Like, I don't know. I'm just speaking for the people out there. Like, we already giving y'all too much money on the phone itself. No phone is worth $800 to $1,500. That's one. Number two, that alarm system, y'all have to just, I'm just speaking for the people though. It just was on my mind. I'm like, okay, you know what? I got something to talk about. And boom, that's it. Yeah, that's it. See? Hey, I'm getting better. But you know what? It's not even me getting better. It's just, that's it. If I feel like, you know what? Because, you know, I am a yapper at heart. I'm not going to rush no video. I'm not rushing no more. Because I don't care. I'm not rushing no video because the light about to turn off, the phone about to overheat. Hey, I can make this video 40 minutes to an hour and y'all still gonna watch it. So that's one good thing. I do love y'all, but you know, this is just a little topic. It's just a little topic. Then on top of us paying $800 something, you know, then y'all want us to add the what is that? The plan? What is that called? It's like a, what is that? Like a warranty? Yeah, warranty. Y'all want us to pay that. And obviously that is very good, because if your phone does crack or gets broken, lost. But we already spun the back this evening. And I remember, like when y'all first dropped the 17, nobody was messing with it. Everybody saying it's ugly, but guess what? Everybody buying it now. That's crazy. But yeah, this is just a little something, man. Apple, just fix the ringtone, please. Just fix it to the default. Traumatizing, loud. Then. I don't know. I don't even know why y'all updated to the small one. What does that even? Nobody's not gonna hear that. It's small. I don't understand that. But that's it. That's it.